Hi everyone, welcome to the course. Thanks so much for signing up. In this introductory video, I mainly wanted to, first of all, welcome you to the course, so welcome again, and second, give you a little bit of a roadmap on where we're going. So in the next lecture, I'm going to give you more of an introduction to myself and my background, my experiences in leadership and sort of teaching leadership. After that, we'll dive into the course. We're going to define, what truly is leadership? What does it mean to be a great leader? Then we're going to start venturing down the path of, well, how do we develop those skills? Being a leader is more than just, having a vision. It's about developing a vision, getting buy-in from people as well on your vision, giving them goals, giving them methods and ways to achieve their goals and ultimately work towards your vision as well. We'll also tie how you manage that, you work that into your management style as well. So besides just being a manager and handling managerial tasks, you're the leader of your team and you're really empowering people in goal setting and getting buy-in and all those other sort of tools that we'll use as a leader to really, again, motivate and get everybody on board. We'll also get into some sort of personal leadership and how you can empower people in your own personal life and how you can use all the leadership techniques that we're going to learn in this course to make your life better and the lives of everybody that you touch better as well. So we cover quite a bit in this course, several hours worth of content. So I encourage you to follow along, take notes. If you have any questions during the course, definitely encourage you to send me a message. Happy to answer those for you. And that said, let's go ahead and get started.